Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotic sachets. First, always check the expiration date on your sachet to ensure its potency. Next, carefully read the specific instructions provided on the packaging, as different brands may have unique recommendations. Generally, you will mix the sachet's contents with a small amount of liquid, such as water or juice. Remember, the liquid should be cool or lukewarm, never hot, to protect the live cultures. For optimal results, try to consume your probiotic sachet at a consistent time each day. Many experts suggest taking it with or after a meal, as food can help buffer stomach acid and improve the survival rate of the beneficial bacteria. It's best to avoid mixing the powder with highly acidic beverages like grapefruit juice or carbonated drinks. Also, never chew or swallow the powder directly, always dissolve it first. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the effectiveness of your probiotic sachets. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Some specific probiotic strains may require refrigeration, so always double-check the product label for these instructions. Avoid exposing the sachets to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. Remember to keep all sachets safely out of the reach of children. Before incorporating probiotic sachets into your routine, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. You might experience mild digestive side effects, such as bloating or gas, when you first start, but these usually subside. For noticeable benefits, consistent use for at least 2 to 3 weeks is often recommended. Always adhere to the recommended daily dosage and never exceed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.